Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to go ahead and clean this uh, pathway here. It's been exactly a year since I built this pathway. Um, it is November, and you can see I let the grass and the clove and the dichondra grow into some of the stones. So I want to go ahead and clean this out and also trim the edges. I'll be using this grass shearer and also this viscous. It's also a grass scissors. But this is how it looks as we start. You see this, the grass has connected from here. All this is connected. So I'll be cleaning this out, cutting all these extras out. You can see the stones are almost disappearing. Like that. So this is how it looks. I'll be cleaning up this edges as well. Let's see. All of this will be coming out. See this, all of this. Okay, so this is what we are starting with. Okay, let's go ahead and get started. I'll start from this other side. Okay. Okay, so I'm finished just raking off the cut grass, which I'll use as mulch in the flower beds. Okay, so we are done, and I've rinsed off the pruned grass, and this is how the pathway looks right now. So you can see the shapes much clearer than before. I think they look good. So with this maintenance, the next time I might need to do this would probably be in the spring, probably around April, or maybe early summer, but extra. But the path is looking good. And so I'll stop here, and I'll catch you all on the next video. Okay. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.